Hawaii is so ingrained in the Hawaii culture. And this festival in its 46th year, that we thought it would be a great fit to bring together the Prince La Hula Festival and 7-Eleven in this magical, wonderful day. So today we've decided, instead of selling musubis and sandwiches or drinks, we're just gonna give away a lot of stuff. So we're giving away temporary tattoos, stickers, free Slurpee coupons, lima kokua books. They have to spin this handy dandy little wheel, and it's completely random. We're giving away a lot of stickers today, so we actually have a lot of snacks and food left over. So people are getting some free food now. The atmosphere is amazing. It's so great to see so many, Hawaiian culture, arts and crafts, and to watch the hula has just been amazing. I hardly ever get to attend festivals like these, so it's been really fun to be a part of it.